Ikorereri ryombekerwa b'ekitongole kirikureberera empungi ekya Peace Winds obu kirikutunga sente kuruga omu ihanga rya Japan. His Excellency Norisama Zoshid, omuhizi wa ambassador wa Japan mu Uganda, arikutongoza ikorereri omu by'abakora cyaka ya kabiri agizire ngo kigendererwa no kutungura eby'obuhingi.
I hope that in addition to the facility itself, the agricultural skills and the nutrition knowledge is transferred to the community will improve livelihoods through agriculture and help reduce the food shortage.
Although it seems to be seen as an initiative, a project by Peace Winds and the Japanese embassy and the people of Japan, I want to promise that we will honor this intervention. We will work with both the local community and the refugees to make sure that this does not remain a white elephant.
Jakarta Refugee Settlement aims to bring the collective effort of the farmers to achieve collective value addition and collective selling together with the farmers from refugees and host communities.
Omuikorereri harimo ebyoma nyamwingi ebyokusebicyori, soyabin, omuceeri, omugusha, oburo hamwe n'ebindi bingi otiro n'ebyokupakinga.
Mbwenu nkitwa ba refugee twashemerwa munongo kutuletera ikintu kiriya habokuba nikijwa kutuyamba okutuha emirimo no bukebuke no gukora emirimo mingi byibire gibuzire ndo bagenda mu rukoba konka abantu libagumane bakora kizo bakora aha noreba batukozire ibintu bingi
kintu cyeitu abana Uganda kintu cyeitu abantu bakigembo kintu cyeitu abantu banyabakora kintu cyeitu abantu babujubuli nibasaba tukirinde narora umusenjo hano nagama nyowe ni nyowe security ni nyowe kulinda hano kine kintu kikoto muno kulinda umuntu wo mu gwenka.
Aba Peace Winds bongire bakora n'amashanyarazi agino buringo bwa kilomita 3 okuruga bujuburi kuzabya bakora ahikorerera ryombekerwe
nga ebimu ku bintu byetwede tukola okusupportinga abantu ba mu community ba refugees never nationals nga tubayambako mu bintu by'okulima n'ebyo addinga value kwebyo bamaze okola ki okulima ne bafuna bebamaze okulima the produce, the agricultural produce. Bali mostly mu milling units nga ba adding a value to grains nga maize nga soya nga bijanjalo.
Hariho n'emisiri y'okworekyereraho abantu ampinga y'omurembe kyetedde mu gardens okureba ngo empungi zaye gakorera hake kandi bakasharura kihango. Bimwe habizo ebirikuteganisa empungi mu kampu ya cyaka n'obutagira by'okuriya kandi empungi zina amasukungwe ekyo nikija kubahwera. Gasha kwa Philip Marangira.